In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your LinkedIn profile to your Facebook page. This is a fantastic way to increase your professional network and allow friends or colleagues on Facebook to connect with you on LinkedIn as well. So let's dive into the detailed process. First off, we'll need to head over to LinkedIn. If you're not already logged in, please do so now. Logging in will bring you to your LinkedIn homepage. This is your starting point. Next, it's important to locate your LinkedIn profile URL, which is essentially your digital professional identity. You can find this by clicking on your account, then navigate to your profile photo at the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage and click on View Profile. This action will take you to your LinkedIn profile page. Now here's a key step: copying your LinkedIn username from the URL. Your username is a part of the web address that uniquely identifies your profile. Just look at the URL on your browser while you're on your profile page. It usually follows after linkedin.com/in/. Go ahead and copy that. With your LinkedIn username copied, it's time to switch gears to Facebook. Navigate to your Facebook profile and look for the About section. Within this section, you'll find Contact and Basic Info. This is where you can add various contact information, including social links. Click on Add a Social Link. A new window will pop up with several fields. Here you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Social Link. Click that drop-down and a list of social platforms will appear. Scroll through until you find LinkedIn and select it. After selecting LinkedIn, a new field will appear where you can paste your LinkedIn username. Paste the username you copied earlier into this field. This action links your Facebook profile directly to your LinkedIn, allowing people to click through to your LinkedIn profile right from your Facebook page. The final step here is simply clicking Save. By doing so, you're confirming the addition of your LinkedIn profile to your Facebook page. Once saved, your LinkedIn will appear in the Contact and Basic Info section of your Facebook profile. A little tip before we wrap up: make sure to double check the privacy settings associated with your contact and basic information on Facebook. You can choose who sees this information, whether it's public, just your friends, or perhaps only you. Adjusting these settings ensures you're comfortable with who can access your LinkedIn from your Facebook. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to connect your LinkedIn profile to your Facebook page. This method doesn't just enhance your online presence, it bridges your professional and personal networks, potentially opening up new opportunities. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tweak your privacy settings as needed to stay in control of your personal information online.